Traders, Anthony here. We're looking at the NAS100. What we're going to do in the video is run through some technical analysis. We'll look at market structure, the trend, price action, and I'll give you my take on a potential trade setup. Please understand that the information is educational in nature and not financial advice. So without further ado, got the NAS100 open on a daily chart, and we can see clearly that this is traded into a key resistance level. We've got this daily bearish order block up here, this green candle, prior to this expansion to the downside. And I'm thinking that this could retrace from here, given that this is overextended. So we've got this key resistance level. We'll go down to the 4-hour time frame, and there's a couple of things about this time frame that are noteworthy. Firstly, we have green candle here. It's a bullish imbalance, so this one-way trading north, okay, bullish. Had a little bit of a touch through here, but this imbalance is still unresolved. Now this price action is telling us that we could see possibly a retrace, and it wouldn't surprise me if we get a fairly deep pullback, at least through this imbalance down into the 50 to 61.8 Fibonacci. So I'm just looking at this price range from this low to high. In fact, you know, we could actually pull this back further and take this entire range from the beginning of this expansion to the high. All right, now we've got this balance area down in here that would act as a support level. Right, so I'm thinking this pulls back. I'm looking for a counter trend short opportunity, and I think the way to do that would go down to would be to go down to a 15-minute time frame and just follow this. Be a little bit careful and just wait for this to set up. In other words, we want to see continuation, and I want to see the break of this low, retest and fail. All right, so this is a point of interest. Well, these lows here, this range, grab the whole, grab these candle wicks. So this is a level that this could target. Well, this could react off, given that there are sell stops sitting under here. So if it trades back down in here, you know, expect possibly we see a bit of a reaction. But then what I want to see would be this move here, and then trading back to retest the low. That could be an opportunity then to get short. And I mean, look, my target, if I'm going to be selling, is just going to be target 1 would be the mid-range of this imbalance. Let's go back out to say a 1 hour so we can see what we've got here. So yeah, just wait for the break and retest of this low here, and then target 1 would be, say, midway through this imbalance here. That'd be T1 for me. And this aligns with these highs back over here. Okay, so through this level here, first target. Second target would be the 50. So coming down into this value area down in here. So that'd be target 2 right there at the 50. Then we've got the 61.8. So, you know, if you're going to short it, that could be a thing. Stop loss above the previous high. If this plays out, let's just say we get that, hypothetically speaking, then if you are shorting it on the pullback and retest of this, then you could set your stop loss above the previous, where are we? Down into here would be a 2-hour outcome. Okay, so stop loss above the previous swing high, and yeah, that would be a play. You know, I'm thinking that this could even continue further. There's a seasonality aspect to this that you could look into. So if we have a look back at this time, so what have we got? It's, okay, mid-September. Let's go back and see what this looks like over the last, you know, few years. So we're going to go back mid-September, say 23. We'll go 16, that'll do. 16th September 23, what did it do? It sold off. Look at it. 16th of September 22. All right, so a seasonality may have a part to play in, and I'm talking significant sell-off. That's 22. Go back, you know, you could go back 5 years, so go back 21. And you want to get an average over 5 years. Look at this, guys. Okay, short. So I think I'm definitely going to go with a possible sell with this. Look at this. Every year going back to, you know, 2019. So, okay, how far back do you want to go? But every year we've had a sell-off around mid-September. Look at it. Okay, so let's just come back here. I'm thinking that could be actually more significant. Let's just go out. All right, we've got, okay, I'm just going to clear everything here. Let's consider the possibility that this does continue bearish. then that changes my target, and I'm going to be looking at this price swing from this low to the high. Okay, if this sells, then we could look at these targets. So we've got liquidity under here. Well, these lows, we've got the high of this value, the low over here, and the high of this value area. Okay, so this is looking at it from a daily perspective, daily time frame. The lows over here, so these are potential target areas, and back over here. Right, so that could be a play. Just a quick diversion. I want to invite you to try my VIP trade signals completely free for a week. I'll show you how to find this page. This is where you can join the free 7-day trial. Go to my website, tradingwithanthony.com. Click on the Forex signals up here and go down. You'll see 7-day free trial. Click the link under here, click here, and that will take you to this page. Please make sure you read everything on this page, and to join VIP, gain full access to my daily trade signals and mentoring videos, you can join through this link down in here, and that will set up the 7-day free trial. Understand that you're not billed, you won't be billed at all. This is just to set up the subscription that will start on day 7, and you have full control of this through your own PayPal account. If it's not for you, you can opt out at any time, so there's no risk. And if it is for you, don't do anything, and you'll have full access as a paying member after the 7 days. So try it for 7 days and see if this is for you. You might be surprised. So with that, we'll get back into the video. Alright, so if you're going to go for the higher time frame setup, I'm inclined then to look at stop loss, short position. Let's just say we get a retest of this current range. Just go stop loss above the high, and I would even target that's a 5R outcome, guys. That's a really nice trade. All right, but you want to see this trend here compromised, break of market structure. Well, you've got, where do you want to pull that? But at the moment, it's early. We've got this shift in the trend, so this is a change in character, chock, right? So I'm just thinking, wait for actual break of market structure, and that would be the next move, all right? And then that's the break here, and that would be the opportunity. So this break structure here, BOS, right? So if that plays out, this, yeah, I would go with this on the higher time frame, something like that, with a wider stop. And look for a decent target. Pull your stop loss to break even fairly early. Okay, so there's a couple of ideas there. A lower time frame idea, and now a 4-hour / daily time frame with a really nice outcome, 5R. Guys, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Definitely comment below. And with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.